Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, CISO, CTO, and other members of the board. My name is Jason Benjamin, and I'm a member of the Incident Response and Digital Forensics team for Team New Zealand Group 4. Other members of the team include Amanda McIntyre, Eugene Zotamau, Tanisha Watkins, and Tony Harris. Today, on behalf of the group, I will be presenting on the Cyber Operations and Risk Management briefing. And it is important to bring up why we got here. How did our systems become affected with ransomware? How did malware get onto our systems? And does this mean our supply chain is safe? These are all very specific questions that we will think and consider about while we discuss our cyber operations and risk management briefing. As cyber professionals, we understand that high-profile cyber attacks often cripple companies by attacking supply chains and giving hackers the ability to have different points of entry to weaken a company's overall network security. And therefore, a part of this briefing, it's important to discuss a business continuity plan, otherwise known as a BCP, to ensure that security controls are implemented, and ultimately it's important for us as a nation to review our software that we're using, to understand the supply chain, how it relates to how we acquire our software and the developmental process of this. These are all very important aspects of the BCP. Really, a BCP is a critical step in finding out exactly what happened, why it happened, and how we can keep cyber attacks from happening against our systems in the future, and that requires us to look deeply into how we develop our software. The BCP finally will also inform the CISO of current systems and timelines that will be used to bring systems back online, and finally review sequences of events that occur during BCP operations. So without further ado, we'll go to the next slide. Looking at our agenda, we're looking at the software development methodologies. So next slide. We look at software vulnerability. So next slide. As intended. So next slide. Looking at New Zealand's development, and we're going to look at supply chain management. The next slide. So we're looking at software. Slide approaches to software procurement. We're looking at final recommendations. The final slide so